right, here's probably the last section on this, on the batteries on this RV. It's a living quarters horse trailer. Most of the time you always want to try to go somewhere where you have shore power you can plug in. A lot of times you'll end up in a dry lot somewhere where there is no power, there's no water, but it's a place for you to camp. So if you run your battery down and there's no place to plug in a battery charger, a lot of people will bring like a rescue kit, which contains jumper cables, tow strap, a hitch that you can pull your buddy out of the mud with or something like that. So this is going to be probably one of the options you're going to have compared to pulling the battery out and taking it somewhere and having it charged. So what we're going to do, we're going to take jumper cables, and I'll show you how to hook these up, and then you're going to hook it to your truck, because hopefully your truck battery's not dead. You probably just have that in town. So it's going to hook up the same way. You're going to have red to positive, black to negative. You can see this down here on your battery again. You got a positive symbol and a negative symbol. So the red is going to go to the positive, and the black is going to go to the negative. So you're going to hook up your red first. Got to get it on there. Sometimes it's tough on these little batteries like that, but you can get it hooked on there. And then you're going to hook up your black. But before you do, you want to make sure that your other ends aren't touching. You want to keep them apart, otherwise you get a spark. So black's going to go on the negative. So we're going to hook it just like that. Okay. Then you're going to come over to your truck or your car, whatever you got. Most of the time people don't have a truck if they got a trailer. And then we're going to take this positive cover off and set it back here. Then you're going to hook the positive up over here. Get it on there. That's a pretty good stretch. Just hook it up on there like that, and then you're going to hook up your negative right over here. Hook it just like that. Now, depending on how dead your battery is on your camper, you might want to start your truck and just let it idle. We'll do that, and I'll run in and hit the start switch since we've already got the generator covers all back on. So let me go ahead and start it real quick. Go inside the camper here and hit the start switch, and we'll see if this generator starts. Once you got it started, there's no need to keep the jumper cables on it anymore, so we'll go ahead and take those off in the reverse order. So we're going to want to take the negative off first and then the positive. Remember to keep them apart. That's how you started with the jumper cables. If you don't have shore power, you have a set of jumper cables in a truck or a car you can hook to, that'll get you out of trouble. I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. If you like the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like it.